them a very quick one this morning. I forgot nihe Father Kelvin Ugwu no na-ede na Facebook. Fokwa nihe ndị na-support Ebuka Obi nọkwa na-ede na Facebook. Ọ dịka the war, a war between Father Kelvin Ugwu and worshippers of Ebuka Obi. You know, because there is no way Father Kelvin Ugwu, the Reverend Father that passed through the rigors of the seminary, made philosophy, first class, theology, first class, better cheer father, you know, for him to have first class in philosophy and theology, that here Basara Catholic Church, he is grounded. Here you know, I am a Catholic and an ex-seminarian at that. So here you know, Father Kelvin Ugwu na-ekwu wokponkwe moto shide na Catholic Church. If you cannot abide by the doctrine of the Catholic Church, you leave. You leave. You know, if you cannot abide by the doctrine of the Catholic Church, you leave. Unfortunately, Ndane so Ebuka Obi are now turning into the Protestants. That was how Protestant churches began. You know, unfortunately, they have turned themselves into Protestants. You know, anything you say about Ebuka Obi now, I'm not saying that Ebuka Obi is not called. After all, in the Catholic Church, and different talents, and it is those talents must be scrutinized by your bishop. Amana many Catholics, they were ministries, and before the Catholic Church, mega allow, give more operate your ministry under Catholic. Aga enwerela processes. It is not an all-commerce affair. Just ministry, church. You know, there must be scrutiny. No, there was even the father self when the ministry self before Bishop Jaime they approve self. On around John the father and them when the ministries. It wasn't easy for them. How they had it easy? They have talents, they had gifts. But the Catholic Church will not say because you have gifts, then you just operate. You must operate under a norm. There is a procedure for you to operate so that you don't mislead the people. You don't mislead the children of God. So Father Kelvin Ugwu knows what he is saying as a grounded Catholic priest. Father Kelvin Ugwu is not just a Catholic priest or a scholar or one of the best brains in the Catholic Church. Father Kelvin Ugwu. These are the people who want to brain. These are the people that have the brain of reformation. You know? Agakwala church or ministry Ebuka Obi, no. But unfortunately, Ndi Ebuka Obi na Zopota are taking every opposition, every criticism to the highest level of the person who criticizes Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi, yes. Might Agabem church before, you know. But Ebuka Obi is not the first Catholic person to have a ministry, and he will not be the last. You know, but one thing I know of these people who want to give to on Abahanishi. Hey, for another gift to Chileke Kurikenapu Hiyechi. Yes. Give that Chileke Gigi Jiria when all we again they were proud, you know. Chileka Anafogia. We have a lot of Ndi Catholic. I want to get on Orogwe here. Very simple man. Very simple man of God, very simple. He doesn't use social media to be doing all these ratamatas and some of these brothers and evangelists in that and social media. He doesn't do that. So Father Kevin Ugu knows what he is saying as a Catholic priest. Ndini barere Father Kevin Ugu ga nata punishment of insulting a man of God, a priest. Haga nata. No, they will get it. You should know so be again. But I want to get Father Kevin Ugu send the Goshirani text message here. I will display it now. When you now go for Father Kevin Ugu, when didn't parinda na paribe, when didn't sort and any be Father God of Nazareth. Because you are worshiping Ebuka Obi. Because you are worshiping Ebuka Obi. Worship will not become now. If Father Kevin Ugu anything or anything about Otunushi, because Father Kevin Ugu the guy is just now. This is my own view. Between Father Kevin Ugu deku na the supporters of Ebuka Obi deku. As if they have this crowd mentality of if you come for our daddy in the Lord, we will come for you. If you come for our brother in the Lord, we will come for you. It's okay. Man, I want to tell you, father, you will get the punishment of a father. Father brother Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi is a layman. Ebuka Obi is an ordinary layman. Ebuka Obi, he didn't pass through the rigors of becoming a priest. Any ordained man of God because I can or a bishop. So again, Father Kelvin Ugu, you will receive the reward of a pari on your father. Now, here Father Kelvin Ugu neku ebro. Ebuka Obi in a more operate the ministry under Catholic. He must conform to the doctrines of the church. Maya choho ya four from Catholic Church. Mewezie ministry and the church, yeah. That is what Father Kevin Ugu is saying. I hear Father Kevin Ugu de. And the other who is Ebuka Obi cho sin actually we Catholic, and of course Ebuka Obi ana to reason now. Ana to reason because one puru Bishop Ishi. Most of you guys see who already saw help, who Bishop help, who Father help. But what we are saying is, if you want to operate under a system, you must conform with the proceedings of that system, with the procedures of that system. You must conform with it. Now, like I said, Ebuka Obi with every right to have his ministry, have his worshippers, have his church. Nobody is stopping him. But Obru no Catholic Church. Name more pray so that can the Catholic now be because most of them are not Father Kelvin, which are the Catholic. Most of them are not Father Kelvin Ugu, which are the Catholic. So Father was now because of Ebuka Obi. Father was the idiot to you people. Father was the womanizer to you people because of Ebuka Obi. Now, Father, another punishment. Ebuka Obi will not save you. When the punishment will come, Ebuka Obi will keep effort. The truth. When the punishment of a Father Kelvin Ugu gabia, when the consequences is gabia, when the nemesis is gabia, Ebuka Obi will not pray you out. Ishai Koreanaka. Ishai Koreanaka na ya Koreanaka na ina hiyo ne megala. Jialonoge. If you see what Father Kevin Ugu wrote, just jump and pass. Come here, Father. Jump and pass. As simple as that. Thank you.